Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn about extrude features in Creo. This type of part making using extrude. First of all, file, new, parts names, part 0001. OK, select templates. OK, view in plane on. First select top plane, extrude sketch view to bottom side of sketch using a line command. Sketching line. At the dimension as per requirement 60, 20, 30, both are equal. Then delete one parameter and do the dimension of this part. Total length 30 plus 20 50. Next, OK. Thickness of 10 mm thickness. Now select OK. We create this type of shapes using on this plane. Select extrude, select reference, top plane and side face. Using a sketch view, draw, sketching line command, height and these steps of, and close the sketch. Dimension 20 mm. This length is also 20 mm from this dimension and height will be 20 mm. This time automatically get 30 mm. OK. Now thickness of these parts given at 20 mm. The input 20 mm. Next, OK. Now third steps. This plane select, extrude, select reference like this face and also this face. Sketch view, draw a rectangle, do the dimension 40 and width is 20 mm, 20, height is 20 mm. OK. Then height also 20 mm. Now this part is create perfectly. Now make a drawing. File, new, drawing as per drawing name, part 000001. OK. Select the format, A2 format. OK. General view. OK. Select top view. Now view display, hidden view, apply. OK. Then project view, create a project view. View display, done, apply. OK. Now next, isometric, add isometric view, view display, no hidden, apply. OK. Now scaling, scale 1.5 mm. OK. can add the dimension as per requirement. Also you want to scale it 1.8. Now dimension given, annotation, dimensions, with control press select the dimension. Dimension annotations, reference first point with control, the dimensions, space 2, yes. All dimension are given. Okay. These types of you can drawing with. Save the drawings. Close it. Save the parts. Okay. Thank you for watching. You can like this video, then subscribe my channel.